How much do I need to retire? Here's how I would answer that question. First thing you need to know is how much money do you need each month to live the life that you want to live in retirement? That's going to be different for everyone, so ask yourself, how much money do I need in my bank account each month after taxes to have the retirement lifestyle that I want? Let's say hypothetically that number is $5,000 per month. Now you need to figure out what are the retirement income sources that you have. Common income sources include CPP, Canada Pension Plan, OAS, Old Age Security, and a defined benefit pension. Determine what your approximate monthly income after taxes is going to be from those sources. Let's say, for example, that number is $3,000 per month. The next thing you need to do is calculate the difference between the goal that you have, how much money you need after taxes in your bank account each month, and what consistent sources of retirement income you're going to have. Continuing with this example, $5,000 goal, $3,000 of consistent income, the difference, $2,000. That $2,000 is the amount you're going to have to take out of your investments or your savings to supplement your sources of income to accomplish your goal of, say, $5,000 per month. We now want to take that $2,000 and figure out how much would we need in our investment account to be able to pull that money out each month and not have our investments run out over the course of our retirement. Now we can apply a simple rule of thumb known as the 4% rule. The 4% rule is a guideline for retirement withdrawals. Essentially what it says is, assuming a balanced portfolio of stocks and bonds over a 30-year time horizon, if you're only taking 4% of the principal out of that portfolio each year, the portfolio would sustain itself. So in this example, we can take our $2,000 per month, which is $24,000 per year, divide it by 4%, and the number we get is $600,000. What that means is the answer to that individual's question, who has a $5,000 spending goal and $3,000 of consistent retirement income, the answer to their question of how much do I need to retire is approximately $600,000. Now from there, whether that money is in RSPs, tax-free savings accounts, in a business account, in a non-registered account, all of those variables play a part in that individual's retirement plan. But to answer the question of how much do they need, approximately $600,000 in their investment account will do the trick. If you have a question regarding financial planning or investments that you would like answered, just put it in the comments below and I'll make a video at some point in the near future.